What's up everyone? Spencer Sue here, your tech realtor of the Bay Area. I'm excited to showcase my newest listing, which is at 2173 Laguna Drive in Hayward, California. This location is perfectly situated with easy access to San Mateo Hayward Bridge, which will get you to the peninsula, 3 miles from the BART station, which connects you to San Francisco and San Jose, and it's only less than 2 miles away to get to Highway 880. It is also close by to the local community college of Chabot College and has plenty of great shopping malls and restaurants nearby. Now, about the property itself. This is a single-family home built in 1992 that is a 4-bed, 3-bath, 2,051 square foot home on a lot of 4420. Best yet, it actually has no HOA. The owners recently replaced all carpet and gave it a new fresh coat of paint inside. It's a fantastic move-in ready home for a wonderful buyer or for those looking for an investment property. Better yet, an owner can actually house hack this by living in one of the rooms and renting out the other 3 bedrooms. Let's go take a look inside. There you have it. Thanks for tuning in to my latest listing. We are officially on the market, and if you or anyone you know is considering moving into this beautiful home that is perfectly situated in the East Bay, let's talk. My contact details along with more information about the listing will be in the description below. Have a better life today. Thanks for making it to the very end of my YouTube video. If you like the content, please hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that little bell as well, since it'll give you notifications of when my next episode is. If you know of anyone that is considering to buy or sell a home here in the Bay Area, I'm never too busy to help more people. Always welcome to have a conversation, regardless if you're ready to go right now or if you wanted to buy 5 years later. Click on that calendar link and then you'll be able to book an appointment with me and love to have a conversation about your situation. In the meantime, I also do have a monthly newsletter, so feel free to hit that link below, and then you'll be able to get my updates, personal updates that I write once a month in terms of what is going on with the market and some of my latest activities. Hope to see you at the next one. Thank you.